friends! Today we're going to learn a little bit about collecting and representing data. Now you might be wondering, what is data? So data is just a collection of information, and that'll make a little bit more sense later when we actually collect some data, collect some information. Now computers can be really helpful in displaying data and information, looking at that and kind of making sense of it and learning about it. Now, we're not actually going to be using our computers today to collect and display our information. We're going to do that next year in second grade technology. However, today we're going to be collecting data and displaying it using pencil and paper. What you're going to need today are 2 sheets of paper, a pencil, and optional, something to color with. Step 1. We're going to collect our data. Now, you might be wondering what kind of data we're going to collect. We are going to think about something that Miss Ely thinks is really fun. We are going to be collecting favorite ice cream flavors. We're going to be asking people in our house what their favorite ice cream flavor is.
Okay, friends, hopefully you have your paper and your pencil and possibly something to color with. Now, our step 1 is to collect our data. So you're going to use your first sheet of paper to collect your data, and you are going to ask people in your house their favorite ice cream flavor, and you're going to write that down. So I'm going to start off by writing down the names of the people who live in my house. Now, 2 people is a little bit boring, so if you don't have a lot of people that live in your house, you are free to play pretend and add your stuffed animals or any furry family members to your list, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add Harper to my list. Now, once you have your list of names, everybody that lives in your house, you can ask them what their favorite ice cream flavor is. Now, I've already done this, and I'm actually going to start with myself at the top. I feel like mint chocolate chip sounds really good to me right now. Earlier, I asked Mr. Ely what his favorite ice cream flavor was. His is just chocolate. Now, Harper, our dog, obviously probably doesn't eat a lot of ice cream, but her favorite ice cream would be any ice cream where Mom let her lick the bowl afterwards. So that would probably be vanilla. So I'm going to say Harper's favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla. Now, this is my step 1. I've got to collect my information. Now, one cool thing that computers do, and people can do it too really, is represent our data using something other than words. So this is kind of boring to look at, if we're being honest. I want to make it look a little bit more fun. I'm going to display my data in a different way. So I've got my other sheet of paper right here, and I'm going to give it a title. Favorite ice cream flavors. And I could have used my colored pencils for that, and that would look really pretty. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to be doing some drawing. So this would be a good time to actually use your pencil, not the colored pencil, because they don't always erase very well. So to draw my ice cream, all I really have to do is I need to know how to draw a V and a C. If you can draw those 2 letters, you can draw an ice cream cone. So I'm going to draw a very large V, one for each person or animal in my house. Alright, so there's the cones. Now I'm going to add my ice cream to them. So on top of each cone, I'm going to draw a little C. doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to draw some more little C's to finish off my ice cream cones. So get out of the base if you need to. Okay. Now I'm going to label them. Okay, so I have 3 ice cream cones and I have them nice and labeled. Now I'm going to color in my ice cream cones, and that will just kind of show my audience, show the person that looks at my little graph right here, my little chart, what our favorite ice cream flavors are. Okay, and there we have it. Now, what Miss Ely could do, which I didn't tell you to bring a marker to today's lesson, but what you could do to make this look even better, other than, say, coloring in your ice cream cones, is I could use a black marker. Let me see if I can find one over here. Here we go. I could use a black marker and go over my drawing to make it look even better. Now, we did not actually use computers today to collect or represent our data, but one of the awesome things that computers can do is that very thing. Now, this right here, with our pictures and our display, which Miss Ely hasn't finished coloring it yet, but that's a lot better to look at than this right here. So, when we use technology, or even just our hands and pencil and paper, to represent information in a different way, it can be easier to interpret. It can be easier to look at. And that is one of the cool things about computers. Friends, Miss Ely misses you very much. I hope you are having a great time at home and staying happy and healthy. I love you guys, and I hope to see you very soon.